Michelle Barnes from Frankfort, Kentucky, Human Resources Director for the Justice Cabinet for Kentucky State Government. What I've learned today is that I need to focus on my goals for 2018 and moving my cabinet forward. And he's a great speaker, and I've totally screwed that up. The principle that I liked from today's presentation is focusing on my goals for 2018, where I want to be, where I want to go. It's really made me think about that, and I need that as a leader in executive management for my cabinet and for those that I help in my daily work. So he's a dynamic speaker. I highly recommend him. Energized, wonderful time. Thank you.